I'm a third year electrical and electronics engineering at RMIT.
I'm part of Team 40 of Booth 40 and we are YESS, your emergency services support.
Our project was a submission to the National Instruments Autonomous Robotics Competition.
I've been listening to the way coffee cracks when it's roasted.
This is an industry-sponsored project with the Neuroscience Institute.
This is my team.
To be part of the EnGenius Trade Fair today has been an absolutely amazing opportunity.
To have people in the industry come up to us and say, hey, you know what, that's viable.
It helps us to get an insight on what the industry looks like and how people from the industry react to different products.
Pitching yourself and pitching your ideas, really selling what you've done.
It was a great opportunity to network.
Really good experience. I'd never been to anything like this.
Pretty wild, pretty crazy.
What we're doing here at uni does have a real application in the world.
EnGenius has been amazing this year by seeing and comparing everyone's hard work that they've put out.
Just kind of remembering that we are capable of doing the things that we set out to do.
And I think that really comes down to being proud of what you've developed. It's been a really fantastic experience that, not many people do get.